Incremental routines. So that is the start of the SuperMemo course, which I call the Pleasurable Guide to SuperMemo, even though this name I don't pronounce it ever for consistency across videos. Why? Because depends on what you do. If you want to do the mastery path, there will be more than 2,000 videos. It's a massive effort. It's free. That's why it's donation-based. That's why if you get value from it, not preemptively, but eventually, I will appreciate if you donate. I have enjoyed SuperMemo for many years. It's my jam. Incremental reading, it's my jam. And yeah, someone had to do it. It had to be me. Make sure you watch this course on a website or with the playlists. Check my channel, and here you'll have a dedicated section for the course, and more likely this will be updated. I have been working on it already 1 year. Look at this. All of this massive amount of work done already. So enjoy the course. This is just the start. Take it to your own pace. It's very atomic, so you can skip the videos you want. And more importantly, enjoy the process, as I do. Nothing more to add for now. See you incrementally.